chin-length haircuts have gained tremendous popularity in recent years, offering a versatile and chic look that suits a wide range of hair textures and face shapes. This trendy haircut strikes the perfect balance between short and long, allowing for easy maintenance while providing ample styling opportunities. Whether you're looking to revamp your appearance or simply seeking a change, chin-length haircuts might just be the answer you've been searching for. The allure of chin-length haircuts lies in their ability to offer a fresh and modern appearance without sacrificing too much length. This style can enhance your facial features, provide movement to your hair, and boost your overall confidence. Let's dive into the various benefits of choosing a chin-length haircut. Benefits of chin-length haircuts. Chin-length haircuts come with a host of benefits. Firstly, they are incredibly versatile, allowing you to experiment with different hairstyles while maintaining a manageable length. This length works well for both formal and casual settings, making it a practical choice for any occasion. Additionally, chin-length haircuts require less maintenance than longer styles, saving you valuable time and effort. Styling options and tips. Styling chin-length haircuts is a breeze. You can achieve a variety of looks, from beachy waves to sleek straight hair. A quality styling tool, such as a flat iron or a curling wand, can help you achieve your desired style. Don't forget to use heat protectant products to maintain the health of your hair. Maintenance and care. Chin-length haircuts generally require less maintenance than longer styles, but regular trims are essential to keep the ends looking fresh and prevent split ends. Using a nourishing hair mask once a week can help maintain the health and shine of your hair. Additionally, using lightweight styling products will hold your style without weighing down your locks. Celebrities who rock chin-length hair. Many celebrities have embraced chin-length haircuts and showcased their stunning transformations. From the timeless beauty of Audrey Hepburn to the modern charm of Emma Stone, this style continues to be a favorite among Hollywood's elite. DIY versus professional styling. While it's possible to style your chin-length hair at home, seeking the expertise of a professional stylist can make a significant difference. A skilled stylist can tailor the cut and style to suit your unique features and preferences, ensuring a flawless and personalized result. Adding accessories to elevate your look. Enhance your chin-length haircut with stylish accessories. Headbands, hairpins, and scarves can add a touch of elegance or playfulness to your look, depending on the occasion. Experimenting with different accessories can transform your style effortlessly. Chin-length hair for special occasions. Contrary to the misconception that chin-length haircuts limit your styling options, this length can be just as captivating for special occasions. From romantic updos to intricate braids, there are plenty of ways to create a stunning look that suits the event. Confidence boost and empowerment. A great haircut can do wonders for your confidence and sense of empowerment. Chin-length haircuts frame your face beautifully, drawing attention to your facial features. Embrace this style with confidence and let your inner beauty shine. Will a chin-length haircut suit my curly hair? Absolutely. Chin-length cuts work well with curly hair, and you can customize the cut to enhance your natural curls. Are chin-length haircuts low maintenance? Yes, they are relatively low maintenance compared to longer styles, making them perfect for those with busy schedules. Can I still tie my hair into a ponytail? While a traditional ponytail might not be possible, you can create chic half-up styles or use hairpins to secure shorter strands. Will chin-length hair make my face look rounder? Not necessarily. By choosing the right layers and angles, you can create the illusion of a more elongated face shape. Is it possible to straighten my chin-length hair if I want a sleek look? Absolutely. With the right styling tools and products, you can achieve a sleek and polished look effortlessly. Can I add highlights or color to my chin-length haircut? Absolutely. Adding highlights or color can add depth and dimension to your hair, enhancing the overall look of your cut. I have thin hair. Will a chin-length cut make it look thinner? A chin-length cut can actually create the illusion of thicker hair, especially with the right layers and styling techniques. Consult your stylist for personalized advice. What should I do if I regret getting a chin-length haircut? If you're not satisfied with your chin-length cut, remember that hair grows back. In the meantime, experiment with different styling options and accessories to change up your look.